You don't need to use those hooks if you cut it right. This is what I hear a lot of people tell me in the comments. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna cut this piece for you, full video, so you can see that we're just using these bad boys to level it out. So get our measurement, which is 9/10 and about 9/10 and 7/8. Already got one side of this coped. I've got my center mark on it. We'll pull our measurement from throat to throat. 9'10", and the measurement was 7/8, but we're gonna come back to 3/4. Work that out, and I got that center mark down there. I'm gonna make sure my flat spot is pretty well lined up with that so that my copes are clocked correctly, and then we'll cut. Let's cope some pipe with the torch. Hopefully we cut it clean enough we won't really need to grind her. All right, now we'll do our due diligence, because yes, this is pipe fence, but we want to do it clean like we would any other job. So we'll just do a quick let's see if we cut it right. These hooks are already pretty close to where this needs to sit. Maybe a little low. Oh, wow. That took a lot of hammering, didn't it? So you can see, we got to bring that side up a little bit because that side got caught up, but bingo. What we do is we use these hooks as just an extra hand. Essentially hold it there while we get it in place and get it right where we need to. You know what I did wrong this time? And don't forget, y'all stay humble.